Welcome to this educational tutorial on Java 8 Lambda functions. In this video, we will explain the concept and usage of Java 8 Lambda functions. Lambda functions provide a concise way to represent anonymous functions in Java 8. They are commonly used to implement functional interfaces. Lambda functions can be used in place of anonymous inner classes. They enable more concise and readable code. Lambda functions can be used in various contexts, such as filtering and mapping data. They provide a powerful tool for functional programming in Java. Lambda functions can be used to iterate over collections and perform operations on each element. They allow for more expressive and concise code when working with streams. Lambda functions can be used to handle events and callbacks. They simplify the code by reducing the need for anonymous inner classes. Lambda functions can improve code readability and maintainability. They are a powerful feature introduced in Java 8. Lambda functions can be used to implement functional programming concepts such as higher-order functions. They provide a concise syntax for writing functional code. Lambda functions can be used to improve code modularity and reusability. They allow for more flexible and concise code when working with collections. Lambda functions can be used to implement parallel processing and improve performance. They provide a powerful tool for writing clean and concise code in Java. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Java 8 Lambda functions. Start using Lambda functions in your Java code today.